Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do this fun fluff stitch. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I just did a foundation of a row of 10, nothing specific. You can either do this in rows or in the round, it does not matter. So what we want to do is go ahead and chain 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in this front loop right here, we want to do 1 double crochet. So let's go ahead and do that again. So 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And through this front loop right here, bloop, right up into the middle, do a double crochet. And you're going to want to go ahead and repeat this all the way to the end of the row. Through the front loop. And continuing on. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So go ahead and do your double crochet. Now if you were doing this in the round, you would want to go ahead and do a single crochet into the next loop and then chain up 1. But since we're doing this in a row, we will chain 1 and turn our work. So here you can see where all the little back loops are that we did not go through. So what you want to do is just go ahead and double crochet all the way across, going through the back loops. So it's just this little loop right here. You just pop up and go across. Now since this isn't a row, I guess this would be considered kind of like a front stitch, but it was the back stitch, so that's why I am calling it a back stitch. So we're almost all the way there. A few more. Last one. And again, if you're doing this in the round, you would just end up connecting it with a single crochet. But since here we're doing it in a row, we will just turn our work and we will chain 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the front loop, just go ahead and pop up through the middle, bloop, just like that. And double crochet. And you would just repeat this until you end up with your desired length and size, and then it'll end up starting to get its form and be super fluffy. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.